Heavenly Father, I remember now something that Jesus told disciples long ago. Suffer the children